Wales is a bilingual nation, a nation where both Welsh and English languages enjoy official status, and where both languages are spoken in workplaces and communities across the country. Around 1 in 5 of the Welsh population can speak Welsh, and the vast majority sees the language as a source of pride and want to see it thrive. The Welsh Government aims to increase the number of Welsh speakers in Wales from the current 600,000 to 1 million speakers by 2050. A national strategy has been put in place in order to achieve this aim, Cymrage 2050. A recent survey showed that 6 of every 10 people in Wales who can't speak Welsh wish they could. It's not surprising then that more and more people are learning Welsh. The Welsh Government has introduced a national programme in order to help people do so in the workplace. The programme is called Cymrage Gwaith, Work Welsh, and it offers opportunities for you and your staff to learn Welsh at work. There isn't a direct cost to you either. The courses are fully funded by Welsh Government. This series of short films gives you more information about Work Welsh. The other films address aspects such as language skills and levels, the courses available, the advantages for the employers, and we will hear about the benefits for the learners themselves. Whether you are a private company, a voluntary organisation, or a public body, investing in people always bears fruit. There are advantages in terms of the quality of your service, your ability to meet customer needs, your corporate identity, and your ability to communicate effectively with the people of Wales. Invest in a bilingual future with Work Welsh. The National Centre for Learning Welsh is here to help. We can offer information, advice and guidance on how best to introduce Welsh courses in the workplace using Work Welsh, Cymrage Gwaith. Contact the Centre today to register your organisation with Work Welsh. Let's go for it.
Ewch amdani.
Ewch amdani.
Ewch amdani. Go for it.